Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gio here and welcome back to a brand new video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a very simple stroke effect with an image and some text. You've probably seen this effect done 100 times and always wanted to know how to do it, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that here today. So we have a cutout of Mbappe here, and the background being blue. I'm going to be doing the effect with a white stroke on a darker background. I'm just going to use a font called Akira Expanded. Normally this effect works better with a bold font that's really big. It's a lot harder to read words with the cutout if it's a thinner font. So basically we're just going to do his name here. So we're going to do Kylian. You're going to want to put it behind the cutout of whatever image you're using. Mbappe. Gonna make it a simple layout here. Just gonna line it up. All right, boom. Then you're going to want to get both of the layers, or one layer depending on how many you're using, duplicate them, put them over top of the cutout. Once you do that, you're gonna want to see where it says fill, put that all the way to 0, and then you're going to go to blending effects, or blending options. You want to click on stroke, and as you can see right here, you can see it overlapping already. You can make it as thick as you want, but normally I like to stick between 1 and 3. I'm gonna go with 1 for the stroke here, just so it's thinner and you can, actually see the letter and it won't like take up the entire image. You can keep it at 100% opacity, or you can turn it down a little bit. You can go 50 here, just to so you could still see more of the image than the letter, but still know what letter is underneath. And then you can right click on the one that you already have. Unless you only have one layer, you don't need to do this. But if you have 2, you want to click on copy layer style, go to the other text, click paste layer style, and then you'll already have it on there. But because we turned on the opacity on the one above, we're gonna have to turn it up on the one here because he's wearing a white jersey. So we could put it up like that. I know it's harder to read because he's wearing a white jersey. I probably should have picked a darker one for this, but you can add the outer glow. You can do whatever. There you go. Personally, I'd add the outer glow on the one underneath if you're gonna do it. That way it adds more depth to the background. I wouldn't really add it to the front because it looks weird on the stroke. But yeah, this is a super simple effect you could use on posters and like other types of graphics. I've seen this effect mostly used for sports graphics, so that's why I decided to use Mbappe here as the example. But typically you wouldn't want to use the white stroke on a white jersey like I just did. You're probably going to want to change that up to something else. But I just did it because it looks better on the blue. So I mean, it's a pretty simple effect you could use on a bunch of different designs. And yeah, really simple tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Later.